Hey, and welcome back to the SMS Bump channel. Today we're talking about texting and how to enable your customers to reply to your text messages. Texting is much faster than any other means of communication, and the best part? It doesn't even require an internet connection. Enable the SMS Bump chat right here with a single click. Now, all you have to do is let your subscribers know they can text back to your messages with any questions or feedback they have. For example, if you have your abandoned cart SMS reminders enabled, you can change the text message and a short line to notify recipients who abandon checkouts. They can text you back with any questions they have. This way, when a customer leaves their cart without checking out and receives an abandoned cart reminder, they will be able to reply back. When they do, the conversations will be displayed here. You can reply back by sending a message using the composer right here. The customer profiles on the right give you all the necessary information you need on your current conversation. This helps you make quick and effective decisions with your support replies. For instance, this customer is located in New York City in the US, where we can provide a free shipping offer just for them. Just text the subscriber back to inform them that their main concern has just been solved so they can take action right away while they're still interested in their offer. Awesome! One abandoned cart down, lots more to go. Enable your chat now so you can get closer to customers by letting them reach out to you in the fastest and most simple form, text messages. For Shopify stores using support platforms and help desks like Gorgeous, Zendesk, or Reamaze, we have integrations prepared right here. Reamaze is coming soon, but you'll be able to find it here with all the other integrations. Once you connect SMS Bump to your customer service system, each text message reply from your customers will automatically open a support ticket. The best part here is that when you respond in a ticket, this will automatically be sent as a text message reply back to your customer. This way, your support becomes much faster, and the integrations with Gorgeous and Zendesk help you make sure that you won't miss text messages so you can maximize customer satisfaction. Last step, configure the text message that subscribers will receive after they reply back. This is an automated response that you can enable or disable and modify to fit your brand tone. Our example is simple, but you can enter anything you find fit for your audience. Hit the save button and you're good to go. Now you can start texting with your SMS subscribers in Shopify and create conversations that help you boost brand engagement, customer satisfaction, and online sales. Click the link in the bio to learn more about the chat and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more text message marketing guides. Hit the like button if this video helped you and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.